Hello, everybody. I'm Harry the bunny. And look what I've got. It's a book. All the animals want to see my book. Look, everybody. My book has so many pages. Oh, look, everybody. My book has words. And my book has drawings. See? So many drawings. What are they drawings of? Why, they're drawings of animals. My book is an animal book. I wonder what animals are in this book. It's a bear. A bear! Like you, Teddy. Here's a drawing of a different animal. What is it? It's a dog. Like you, puppy. Let's look again. Incredible! It's a bunny rabbit. Just like me. Wonderful. I love my book. Say bye-bye, Harry the bunny. Bye-bye, funny bunnies.